Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to make the flowers hair sticks. This hair stick have different colors flowers and it is very beautiful and elegant. In my last video, I was making the tutorial on the ear cuts, and I don't realize that I spelled the wrong words. In that video, I spelled the ear cup to ear cup, and until I upload the video to the YouTube, and I realized that I spelled the wrong words. And like in my video, I spelled the ear to the ears, and maybe because I don't speak English very often, and in my real world I don't have any friend at all, so I don't speak English only speak English in YouTube when I recording video for YouTube. And maybe because I always making the hair stay, and when I making the ear cuff, and that's the why I always say here. So the last time I say the ear, I pronounce the ear to here. But I realized that I pronounced the wrong words in the videos, but I didn't realize that I pronounced the wrong words from the ear cuff to the ear cuff. So please forgive me, and I know you understand what I am saying. I think you understand that. And for when I recording, I don't write a lot of notes. I don't like other people writing a lot of notes and read it out loud and speak like the presentation speak to it. When I just recording, I just speak what I want to say. I just speak like I want to talking with my friends, and I want to talking with people like that. I don't like presentation at all. When I in the college, when I doing the presentations, I was so nervous, and I don't know. When I stand in front of classes and I don't know what to say, it's like theory and whole class is so nervous, and you know the feeling how I feel. So besides like doing the presentation and recording it to you all, I mostly like to talking to you all like that. And I was and I don't speak English very well, but I'm working very hard to it. I am improving my English and maybe I am working hard to my YouTube channels, and I wish you all will like my video and enjoy my video also, and let's work together and grow my channel. And thank you for your all that support me. And if you don't understand something, please email to me or leave me me a comment, feel free to ask any question, okay? And for the hair accessory materials, I saw it, some of it in my Esty Shop, and I also saw these hair sticks in my Esty Shop also. So if you want to buy something or buy the material, you can go on my Esty Shop and check it out. If you didn't see it in my Esty Shop, you also can email me and ask about it. And for my Esty Shop, I always put it in the description box, and you can find it in my description box. For the hair stick that I made, I always use the hot glue gun to glue it on the hair stick and to secure it, and I also use a wire for the double secured. And maybe because I like the hot glue guns because it dries very fast, and for the other glue like B6000, it dries very slow, and I don't like that. That's why I use hot glue gun. And if you like another glue, you can use another glue. You can see there is a lot of hot glue in my desk because there is some problem with my hot glue gun. I don't know why the hot glue gun flows out itself. I don't know if it is the hot glue gun's problem or the glue problem. And I buy the cheapest hot glue gun because I think it is the same. It is the same functions. Did anyone knows why it happens? And I hope you enjoy watch this videos. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and please like this video also. And I will see you next time. Bye.